What I find really exciting about arculus is the scope of our product. We do a complete development of the mobile robots, means mechanics, electronics, software functions, and even the fleet manager.
Not a single day is the same, and we have a lot of fun projects coming our way all the time. It never gets boring.
Arculus offers me the possibility to just not only grow or develop myself in the direction that I want, but also to contribute to the company as best I can.
Of course, the work-life balance is also a great plus for me, and this whole combination of things just makes me feel good working here.
We all share the same goal, making really great robots, and we work together towards the goal as a team.
That excites me quite a lot.